Hi everyone, it's Voyage on the air. Today we are talking about photo requirements for the United States visas. All accurate information we can get from the US Department of State Bureau of Consular Affairs website. The link in the description below. So now we are on this website. Let's go further to see the requirements. So first of all, your photo must be in color, but not black and white. Your head must be between 1 inch and 1 3/8 inches, or for digital photos from 50% to 69%. So let's go to photo composition template for more detailed information. So from top of your hair to bottom of your chin must be 1 inch to 1 3/8 inches, and the eye height is between 1 and 1/8 inches to 1 3/8 inches from the bottom of the photo. But you provide a digital image within your application, so here your head height must be between 50 and 69% of the image's total height. And the eye height must be between 56 and 69% of the image's total height. So let's go back to the requirements. Your photo must be taken within the last 6 months, in front of a plain white or off-white background. Let's have a look at an example of the plain white background. It's look like this. It's if you have taken a photo behind the plain white wall, but plain white background on your photo must be made only on the Photoshop. Let's go back to the requirements. Full face view, directly facing the camera, a neutral facial expression and both eyes open. Casual clothing. And now what's prohibited? No any uniforms, no hats and any head coverings, no headphones and other devices, even eyeglasses. But if you normally wear a hearing device or similar articles, they may be worn in your photo, but I don't recommend it. Let's have a look at additional requirements for the S-160 form. It's if you apply for a visitor visa. So there's nothing extra requirements. You just apply with a digital image as a part of completing the online visa application form. And you should review the digital image requirements, which we have already discussed above. You are allowed to scan also an existing photo. Some embassies and consulates require to bring one paper photo to the interview. I recommend you anyway to bring one or two paper photos in case of failure your digital image in your application. Let's have a look at additional requirements for the diversity visa program. Here you also upload your digital image as a part of your entry. In JPG file format, equal to or less than 240 kilobytes in file size. In a square aspect ratio 600 by 600 pixels in dimension. Here you are also allowed to scan an existing photo. The photo must be 2 by 2 inches, scanned at a resolution of 300 pixels per inch. If you won the lottery, you became a selectee, and you need to bring 2 identical photos to the interview. So these 2 identical photos may not be identical to the photo you have uploaded to the application. It should be printed on a photo quality paper 2 by 2 inches in size. They also recommend us use the professional Visa photo service. But it is very important that photos must not be digitally altered to change your appearance in any way. So, by appearance, I think they mostly mean face, but not the background. And the background might be altered into plain white. For DS160, it is okay to bring a plain white background altered in Photoshop. So write down in comments your opinion. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe. See you soon in my next video.